to the 2024 Hershey RV Show. We're here to look at a Keystone Springdale travel trailer. And this is Pat, he's gonna walk us through it.
Thanks, Mandy. So welcome everyone to this 2024 Hershey RV Show. You're standing in front of the brand new 266 deck, D-E-C-K. You'll see why we call it that here in a little bit. But first off, let me start at the front of the unit. I'll walk you through some of the great things we're offering here in the Springdale. First and foremost, we've got a nice power tongue jack up front, room for a couple of batteries that pairs really well with our SolarFlex Protect system. Two 20-pound, easily exchangeable LP tanks up front. Nice flat metal front end there. Nice large pass-through storage area as well. Power awning with an LED light strip on the edge of the unit, so that shines down on the unit. It's not at the end of the awning like some are. Nice friction hinge entry door with a magnetic catch that keeps that open. Nice solid step entry. We've got a LP Quick Connect on the door side here, right next to a hot and cold water outside shower, as well as some exterior plugs if you want to bring a TV out on the sidewall, something like that. Let's go on inside of this great 266 deck. So great usable kitchen area here, nice tall cabinets here with a dividing shelf there. 3-burner cooktop with a convection microwave. That's brand new in the Springdales for 2025. Nice stainless steel kitchen sink, pull down faucet sprayer. Great room underneath that kitchen sink for a trash can. I know that's important to you experienced campers out there. Nice 11 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator, standard in the Springdale. Look at the massive storage you have here. Kind of doubles as a pantry or overflow storage here in your main living area. In the bedroom, you've got nice dual hanging closets, nightstands on either side of the bed with power points on either side. Nice lift up storage at the foot of the bed that's strut assisted. So you can keep your inside stuff inside, your outside stuff outside. And then this year, brand new for this year, we put some nice storage bins above the bed in our shelf there, which basically just gives you all the room for stuff. Got a nice quilted leather theater seat here in this unit. We've got a nice dinette, access doors on the front end. It's got our Do More dinette table, so that drops down, obviously for additional sleeping. It drops down into a coffee table setting, or if you need an extra pep table outside, you can easily take that unit outside of the unit to use it for an extra prep or a serving table. Then as you walk down our little hallway here, you'll notice we've got a great usable bathroom here. It's a nice tall shower. Great throne position, nice medicine cabinet, sink. You got our on-demand hot water system, which is a Keystone RV exclusive. But I bet you were wondering about that deck part of this 266 deck. Well, come on out. This is where the party happens. So obviously this is the deck portion of this 266 deck. An industry exclusive, an industry debut here at the 2024 Hershey RV Show. Everything you see here is standard, included in the price. So you get this great MORryde patio that drops down. Looks like a toy hauler door on the back, but the only toys you're hauling are the ones you're partying with out on this deck. So patio enclosure folds in for storage along the way. You've got this nice electric awning that comes out across the back, LED lighting in that as well. Nice 50-inch TV, once again standard in the pricing of this 266 deck. You've got a nice little bar fridge out here. Once again, just tons of usable storage out here so you can keep all your party supplies where you need them. You've got hot and cold water, running water out here, as well as some additional lighting to keep that party going when the sun goes down. And a nice side entry step right off of this patio as well. So you can invite or kick out whoever you need to on this 266 deck. And thanks again for letting me show you around this brand new 266 deck here at the 2024 Hershey RV Show. Please don't hesitate to go to KeystoneRV.com where you can find information on this 266 deck as well as the rest of our Springdale product suite.
Thanks for showing us around, Pat. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome, John. Thanks.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
Take care, everyone, and safe travels.
Bye.
To watch more videos like this one, click on one of these videos. See you on the next one.